Welcome to my APG.STUDIO channel. We've got the video how to prepare your wrist before you start your fitness exercise or yoga practice. If you're interested, you can click it here. And now video especially for people who've got these joints weak, with your wrist weak, bad wrist, and I will do some yoga exercise with you to slowly build the strength in your upper body and prepare your wrist for full session. So you're ready to start right now. So let's start stand up position, feet, your hips width apart, and now arms up. Inhale, slowly exhale. Try to reach high with your arms to lengthen your spine. When you exhale, try to relax your shoulders. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and slowly exhale, and one more. And now let's rotate your hands and move your arms at the same time. Try to pull them back and bring forward again. Inhale, slowly exhale. Change direction of your hands. And maybe one more. Excellent. Now lacy fingers, palms forward. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, lift your arms. Slowly shoulders back and down. Shake your hands, shake your arms. And now let's take position on your floor. Place your hands with your shoulders width apart, knees with your hips. And now when you inhale, just slightly lean your body forward. And as you exhale, move back. Keep your spine nice and flat. Lower back. Muscles protected, so you're not dropping your belly, not making arch in your lumbar area. You're slightly tilting your pelvis under to keep your spine and your lower back nice and flat. And this small movement prepares your upper body and your wrist to take more weight one day. Inhale, just tiny inch. Slowly exhale. If you're going to feel your joints are stronger, you can lean forward more. Okay, so you can put more weight on your wrist joints. But for now, if you're watching first time, just a little bit. Okay, inhale and exhale. How many reps you do is totally up to you. You are not here with me, I can't see you, so I can't tell if it's enough. You know your body the best. So if you've got this feeling, yeah, my wrist tired right now, just stop, give them a good shake and wait for another exercise, okay? So it's a personal thing and you need to respect your body. And even if I'm still doing exercise and you've got this feeling, you know, I want to stop, just do it, okay? And now rest. Could be higher for hips, depends what's your lower body flexibility, or maybe some of you are ready to sit on your heels and you're just rocking side to side. So you're giving your wrist some rest time right now. Control your abdominal muscles. Pull them in. Yoga is amazing because it's not only one part of your body, it's always more than one muscle. So if you're really aware of your abs and you really try to pull them in, it's your core exercise to make your abdominal muscles stronger, even in this position. Yes. Okay, another exercise to strengthen your wrists, to make them stronger. The same position, but now we're trying to rotate your arms. The range of movement again depends how your joints, not only your wrist but elbows and your shoulders. Eventually you can be able to even keep your palms facing towards to your knees, but check how is the range of movement for now, which is fine. We're still stretching the same muscles. You need to understand it's nothing like one certain position for everyone. We are all different. Yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different. And you need to remember that. Never had the picture of the very advanced option, because usually the pictures on social media, they are taken by someone who have done yoga many years. So they just show you one option, they show you one option, the very advanced one. This is how far you can go, but for now maybe it's just few inches, which is fine. And we're doing exactly the same thing. Inhale, leaning forward, and exhale, moving back. Inhale, exhale, but please be aware if you're dropping your belly or you've got your pelvis tucked under, you've got your abdominal muscles engaged. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. So maybe this is position for now. As you practice more, you improve the flexibility in your muscles, the range of movement in your joints is going to improve as well. But that's fine. It's absolutely fine when the rotation is just a little bit, just few inches. We're not dropping head. Use the muscles in your neck. So it's always whole body in action together. Maybe two more if you can. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Shake it. So far so good. If you've got enough, so you've got this feeling like, you know, that's enough for me, you can just stop the video. You don't have to finish from the first minute to the last minute with me. You can just watch the rest, and if you feel okay, I'm going to try this one and see how it goes, that's fine. Please remember, this is the idea, what you can do, but it's up to you how many reps and which exercise you're going to participate today with me. From day by day, as you work, or week by week, depends how frequently you're going to use these videos, you will feel, I can do more. I can do more repetitions. I can do more exercise. I can finish session from the first minute to the last one. But it's not about that. It's just trying what works for you, and you need to always think, yeah, I'm in charge. This person behind camera can see me, so I'm in charge. If I've got this feeling, I'd like to stop, I need to stop. That's it, simple as that. There's nothing wrong. That's why we always say, listen to your body. And this is exactly what we got on mind when you say, listen to your body. If you're feeling this is enough, simple is enough. So you can just watch the rest, or you can try. So what we're going to do right now is stretch your hand and muscles in your wrist this way. So first we're going to do, just could be stand up position, could be sit. I just stay closer to the camera so you can see. You got arms straight, and you're just trying to bend in your wrist by pulling your hand, not fingers, but front of your hand. Inhale and exhale. Again, very gentle way, without forcing anything in here, just feeling stretch. A sensitive area, using hands all the time, so you don't want to overwork this part of your body. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Inhale and exhale, shake it. Okay, now you're right. Inhale and exhale. So I'm not pulling my fingers because it's gonna be more stretching front of my hand. I like to work with my wrist, so I'm keeping my hand just in here and work. Inhale and exhale. Always exhale when you stretch. Your body is more, let's say, relaxed, so it's easier to stretch. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe some of you, that's enough. I show you the same stretching on the floor, but some of you probably prefer this one because it's more pressure on your joints. So next exercise is just the next level. If you've got this feeling, I can put a little bit more weight on my hand, on my wrist. Okay, so let's start. So as we hand, just one hand, keeping your palm facing up. And again, we just moving, inhale forward, exhale back. Point is, you're keeping your hand nice and flat on the floor. When you notice, you're lifting this part close to the wrist. This is compensation. So you can only move back as long as your hand is still flat. Elbow is slightly bent in your left arm. Okay, now your right. So first we're doing just one. You don't want too much pressure on your joints because you still can't put more weight on your left side now, on your left arm. Inhale and exhale. Last one maybe. And again, shake it. How was it? Good? Now you are on your floor and you're just lifting this off the floor and you slightly lean forward. Inhale and exhale. So now you've got much more weight of your body on your arms and of course on your wrist. So if you're after all this exercise stretches feeling, yeah, that's enough, I don't want to do anymore, again, just watch the rest and you can try next time. Inhale and exhale. Again, I'm not pushing all the balance forward for 100%, it's just off the floor and slightly forward, just few inches. Inhale and exhale and rest. And stretch. You got your palm facing to you, fingers on your right hand on the top, and you just pull. Inhale and exhale. Takes time to build the strength in your wrist, but all the exercise when I've done this video is from my own experience and they helped me a lot, so I'm sure they can help you as well. Inhale and exhale. Shake it. Other side. Inhale and exhale. Shake it and relax. Open, shut your hands works really well as well. Okay, so that's it. Just a few exercises to spend a few minutes, maybe every day if you've got this chance. Maybe you're going to start just once per week and after gradually add 2, 3, 4 per week. It's up to you. You need to find your own way to work with your body and see how really works. Any questions, please leave the comments below the video. I will answer for all of them and help you with another questions if you have anything on your mind. Alicia, I've got problem with, I don't know, knees, hips, whatever it is in your body, you're struggling with yoga practice, you really enjoy your exercise, because not only yoga, it's any activity, I'm here to help you. And as I mentioned, all the videos I made it because you people ask me, Alicia, this is what I've got problem, just what to do. And that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and be amazing to hear any comments from you, how you will find this exercise. And after some time, you can leave the comments if you have got any benefits, because I'm sure they will be for 100%. And thank you for now. Please turn on notification, please subscribe, never miss any videos from my channel. Busy to making lots of another videos to explain how to do correctly all the stretches to have all the benefits from yoga and fitness. So thank you for now, and see you next time. Bye guys.